Latest reports show that countrywide jails are overcrowded, understaffed, confirming the problems faced by Goan jails. India reports more than 78,000 COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours. As Centre announces Unlock 4.0 with more relaxations including no curbs on interstate travel, no local containment areas. Private aided schools hike their fees even as people lose jobs, suffer pay cuts during coronavirus pandemic. People opposition up in arms. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. The income of people has been severely affected due to the coronavirus pandemic. However, this has not stopped private and aided government schools from hiking their fees. The government says it is speaking to managements, but it does not look like it has helped much.
Schools are closed due to coronavirus pandemic. Students are attending online classes. Schools have hiked their fees in such situation. People cannot pay fees as they have no jobs. Parents have demanded this fee hike revoked.
I don't think there's a single person who can deny the economic crisis that has resulted from the pandemic. There are governments, like the Delhi government for instance, which has come out with a clear mandate that schools must charge only the tuition component of the fee and nothing more. In Goa, the situation has simply not been addressed. The parents of Sunshine have been constantly petitioning the Directorate of Education, the Education Secretary and the CM since April, trying to get some relief for the parents. But other than asking unaided schools to roll back the fee hike for this year, they have done nothing to alleviate the problems faced by the parents, even in this distressing current scenario. As tax-paying citizens of Goa, we are very disappointed in the government of the day that hasn't shown any concern or empathy towards the parents of unaided.
Like thousands of other parents all over Goa, it's very sad to note that private schools at the moment currently are being very stubborn in charging fees in this time of pandemic. What was expected of private schools at this time was to understand and empathize with parents whose incomes have been affected and understand that the situation is bad all over. It was expected from them to reduce fees and waive off certain kind of fees. For example, development fee, which was not required to be charged for this particular year. Development fee is a fee for creating facilities. तुम ह्या वर्सा केसो फॅसिलिटीज क्रिएट करपा जायो? ह्या पॅन्डेमिक टायमाक तुमकां फॅसिलिटीज कित्याक म्हणून जायो? ह्यो फॅसिलिटीज ना काय?
गेले कांय म्हयने, so many months, private unaided schools जे आहा त्या स्कुलांनी पेरेंट्सांक आनी मॅनेजमेंटा भितर कितें वाद जाला रिगार्डिंग इनक्रीज ऑफ फीज हाचेर गव्हर्मेंटान आतां पर्यंत कितें तरी एक सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय आसलें. ऑन वन सायड इज अ रायट टू एज्युकेशन एक्ट, दुसरे सायडीन आतां हो पॅन्डेमिक. Maybe schools thought that it is right on their part to increase the fees or whatever demands they made. But at the same time, हे सगळे पिक्चर मनात दवरून एक बरो जर सरकार आसलो, दोनूय सायडीक आपल्या एका टेबलाचेर हाडून कितें तरी भासाभास तरी करूंक शकतलो आसलो. गव्हर्मेंट आनी तो एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टरूय आहा, ताणें हें करपाक जाय आसलें आतां पर्यंत. आमची अजून तुमकां मागणी आहा की चीफ मिनिस्टरान हे दोनूय सायडी आपल्या टेबलार हाडून एक कितें तरी सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय. तेन्नाच म्हणून येता बाबा हो एड्युकेशनाचेर कितें तरी लक्ष दिता म्हणून.
बीजेपी सरकार हांगा गोंयांत आसा, तुमचो बीजेपी सरकार जो दिल्ली आसा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, ताजे फायनान्स मिनिस्टर सांगता की इकॉनॉमी श्रिंक जाल्या एंड दॅट टू बाय एक्ट ऑफ गॉड म्हणटा न्ही. सो हो डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट आसा जाल्यार तुमी सरकार हांगा समजून घेवपा जाय की हे एकाच वर्सा खातीर रिलीफ दिया न्ही तांकां. तशें कशें जातलें? तांचे क्लासी बंद करता म्हणटात, तांकां भुरग्यांक स्कुलांतले काडा म्हणटात फी भरना जाल्यार. अरे वो आकांत कित्याक तुमी पेरंट्सांचेर आवय बापांचेर घालता? आप गव्हर्मेंटान हें केलां दिल्ली, आप गव्हर्मेंटान सांगलां तुमी फक्त ट्युशन फी चार्ज करा, बाकीच्यो फी चार्ज करनाका, अशें कितें तरी दिया न्ही, तांकां रिलीफ मेळो न्ही.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.
Now looks like Goa will be known for its bad roads besides the beaches and leisure. The quality of road work and the coordination between various departments are the reasons why many of our roads have more potholes than tar. This too even in the capital city and its suburb, Talegaon. Here's more to the story.
This road in the capital city is full of potholes. The roads was recently tarred, but presently with the monsoon the tar has washed away. Few days back, due to this, a motorist even lost his balance and fell. Luckily, no major tragedy was reported. Along with potholes and bad roads, another menace that is seen across the state is stray cattle on the street. Several assurances were given in the assembly to solve the cattle issue, but still, this has not been solved. People say this is mostly due to lack of political will. Amar Chavriya for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Jails across India remained overcrowded in as per 2019 National Crime Records Bureau. The latest data revealed by the National Crime Records Bureau says that prisoners are lodged in jails much more than the actual capacity of the prison. The prisons themselves are understaffed. These records come amidst the Korware issues that were recently highlighted in the media. Here are the details listed by NCRB data. 4.78 lakh prisoners lodged against capacity of 4.03 lakh. Prisoners understaffed with only 60,787 employees. Sanctioned strength of staff is 87,599 employees. Number of prisoners increased to 4.78 lakh in 2019 from 4.66 lakh in 2018. Out of the 4.78 lakh prisoners, 4.58 lakh were men and 19,913 women. Central jails had highest capacity of 1.77 inmates, followed by district jails 1.58 lakh and sub jails 45,071. Highest number inmates are lodged in central jails, followed by district jails and sub jails. The data also highlights lethargy in Kolware Central Jail. Kolware Jail was all in bad name due to various reasons. Allegations were made that there is no food provided to inmates. A video also went viral in which one inmate was seen making a music video of himself, and even an under trial had escaped out of prison. Newly appointed IG Prison has admitted that jail guards do not do their work properly and there is a need to train them. Sameep Narvekar for Goa 365. Everyone in India and across the world is talking about the mysterious death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Many sides and faces have come to light with the demise of the actor. Issues of nepotism, drugs and more have been discussed. Even Goa came into picture after a Goan hoteler was accused to be involved in this case.
Earlier on Friday, Narcotics Control Bureau team landed in Goa to investigate drugs links into Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Their cops suspect this after Goa-based hotelier Gaurav Arya comes under the investigating agency's scanner. Arya owns resorts and restaurants in Goa. Gaurav Arya is apparently a hotelier who has resorts and cafes in Goa's Anjuna and Vagato. His restaurant, Cafe Kotinga and other resorts are quite known for parties in Goa. Gaurav Arya left Goa to meet the Enforcement Directorate on Sunday afternoon. The ED had issued notice to Gaurav Arya to appear before the Enforcement Directorate on Monday at 11 in the morning for interrogation under the provision of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Here are the visuals of Gaurav Arya leaving for the airport from his residence in Anjuna on Sunday afternoon. The ED suspected Gaurav Arya to be involved in Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Earlier, ED had grilled Riya Chakraborty and her brother on the money laundering angle. The Narcotics Control Bureau team too is investigating the drugs angle connected to Sushant's death. Earlier, Riya Chakraborty was questioned for nearly 10 hours on Friday and allowed to return home under the police escort as a large number of media personnel were present outside her building. She was quizzed for around 7 hours on Saturday. The CBI also questioned Rajput's flatmate Siddharth Pithani, cook Neeraj Singh and accountant Rajat Mewati at guest house. Rajput was found hanging in his flat in suburban Bandra on June 14. Goa 365 Bureau Report.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus scenario in India is getting worse day by day. In last 24 hours, India reported more than 78,000 cases. India is the only country to report more than 75,000 cases. Meanwhile, states like Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi have reported highest number of deaths due to coronavirus.
A single day jump of 70,761 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 940 deaths were reported and 64,935 patients have recovered. India has reported 35,42,773 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 7.65 lakh mark. 63,498 deaths are reported and more than 27,13,933 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 7.64 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 4.15 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 4.14 lakh, Karnataka 3.27 lakh and UP 2.19 lakh. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 61 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 38 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 35.42 lakh cases. Russia 9.85 lakh cases and Peru with 6.39 lakh cases. Bureau Report Goa 365.
Centre government has announced Unlock 4.0 with more relaxations on the cards. In the new guidelines, Ministry of Home Affairs said that the state government has no right to impose local lockdown outside of the containment zones. MHA has also given some directions on reopening of schools. Government has also allowed public gathering and metro rail services with restrictions.
Unlock 4 will come into the force from 1st September onwards and the activities will be reopened in a phased manner. Ministry of Home Affairs will issue SOP for the reopening of the activities soon. The lockdown in containment zones would be continued till 30th September onwards. Unlock 4.0 highlights: Metro Rail from 7 September onwards. Social, academic, sports, entertainment, cultural, religious, political function from 21st September. Only 100 persons allowed with health protocols. Open air theatres from 21st September. Schools, colleges and coaching institutes to remain closed. Students from 9 to 12 standard permitted to visit school with written consent. 50% of teaching and non-teaching staff allowed to visit school. Teachers can visit school for online teaching, telecounseling. IITs to be open. States cannot impose local lockdown. Prior consultation with central government necessary. No restrictions on intrastate and interstate movement. Bureau Report Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Ponda Forest officials on Saturday held 6 Keshi Salchet residents, including one minor, for killing monitor lizard in Adpaig Durbat forest area of Bushmeat. Canoe and weapons used for hunting were seized. Accused were held with 3 dead monitor lizards.
As a dual purpose करता ये लोग मीट को ही करता असताले but the skin is also a tradable this thing mainly used for normally आम्ही घुमटता आता बंद केला पण बाकीच्या हितून बेल्ट्स आणि लेदर्स आणि पर्सीज आणि वॉलेट्स हे करपा खातीर हाजो स्किन यूज करता पण विच इज अ बँड आयटम इन इंडिया एटलीस्ट.
आणि वेपन कितें हें केला तुमी?
दे आर युजींग तांचे मॉडस ऑपरेंडी आशिल्ले तो कुत्र्यांचो उपयोग करता किल करपा खातीर, चेस एंड किल करपा खातीर. नॉर्मली कोयते आनी हे ते आसाच तेंचे इज ऑफ मुवमेंटा खातीर.
ऑल लोकल्स?
All are locals, all are residents of a place called Udo Vadao from Kelshi, Salset. They are ताज्या वांगडा हे मटेरियला वांगडा आमी एक पोनेळी ते ज्याचो उपयोग ताणें रिवर जुवारी न्हंय क्रॉस करपाक उपयोग केला ते सीज केला पण फुडल्या तपासान आनी कितें खूब कितें मेळटलें. आमच्या नॉर्थ गोवा फॉरेस्ट डिव्हिजनाच्या रेंज फॉरेस्ट ऑफिस पोंडाच्या टिमीन 6 जाणांक एप्रिहेंड केल्ले आसात आगापूरच्यान फोंडा हांगच्यान. तातूंत 6 जाणांतल्यान एकटो मायनर आसा, 5 मेजर आसात आनी ऑल आर रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ उडो केळशी सालसेत. आनी तांचो गुन्हो असो आसा की ताणें सातत्यान आमी पाळत दवरून आशिल्ले, पण ह्या फावटी आमकां एक संद मेळ्ळी तांकां धरपा खातीर. ताणें आयज तांच्या कडल्यान आमकां 3 मॉनिटर लिझर्ड म्हळ्यार घोरपड किंवा आमी मॉनिटर लिझर्ड शेड्यूल 1 स्पिशीज आसा वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टा प्रमाणे, तांकां 3 लायफ स्पेसिमन किल्ड फॉर बुशमीट खातीर किल केल्ले ते मेळ्ळेले आसा, आनी ताच्या वांगडा तांचे हत्यारय मेळ्ळेले आसा. आनी ताणें ते केळशीच्यान पोनेळ घेवन ह्या सावटेन मडकय वाठारांत आगापूर दुर्बाट ह्या वाठारांत येवन ही रानान भोंवन हाची हत्या करताले. सुदैवान आयज आमकां ते मेळ्ळे मटेरियला सकट. तांकां आतां आमी लिगल कायदा वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टा प्रमाणे जे कितें आसा ते प्रोड्यूस करून तेजो तपास फुडलो चालू आसा. RFO दिपक बेतकेकर, रेंज फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर पोंडा आनी ताजी फॉरेस्ट गार्डाची टिमीन दे हॅव डन अ कमेंडेबल जॉब अलॉंग विथ आवर स्टाफ फ्रॉम सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री डिविजन. ह्यांच्या सगळ्यांच्या सानिध्य कंबायन एफर्ट्सान आमी आयज हांकां धरपाक पावले. हे बँड स्पिशीज आसा. आमी आदी ह्या जनावरांचे घुमट हे वाद्य आसले पळय ते करपाक हे करताले, कारण वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट बॅन आसल्या कारणान आमी आयज ते घुमट हेका सुद्दां आमी रिप्लेसमेंट हे केल्ले आसा. आनी त्या मजगतीन अशें जर हत्या करत रावले जाल्यार ह्या सैमानले खंयचे जीव जंतू आमकां सगळ्यांक अधिकार आसा जगपाचो, हे अशें जर चलत जाले बुश मिटा खातीर तर मनशाची हवस इतली पर्यंत वचोंक शकता हे दुर्भाग्य आसा आमचें. आमी वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टा प्रमाणे आतां आमी हांचे जी कितें कारवाई आसा ती कारवाई सुरू करतले आनी मागीर तांकां कोर्टान कितें प्रोड्यूस करपाचें तें करतले.
कितें पनिशमेंट आहा तांकां?
कितें म्हणटा
पनिशमेंट कितें आसा?
पनिशमेंट वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टा प्रमाणे हे मॉनिटर लिझर्ड जे आसा हे शेड्यूल 1 स्पिशीजान शेड्यूल 1 पडटा. आनी म्हळ्यार ताका जावं तो गोवर रेडो जावं किंवा टायगर ह्या स्टेटसाचे ताका इम्पॉर्टन्स मेळटा. आनी ताका पनिशमेंट अशें आसा की कमीत कमी 3 वर्सां परस चड कादेन जावंक शकता किंवा 25,000 दंड वचून जावंक शकता. आनी हे नॉन बेलेबल कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेन्स जावन आसा.
हॅबिच्युअल ऑफेंडर सर हे?
सेम्स टू बी, कारण तांचे प्रोफायल पळयल्यार थोडी इन्क्वायरी जाल्या उपरांत आतांच शक्यता सांगपाक जावचें ना, पण तपास केल्या उपरांत आमी सांगूंक शकतले की तांचे हाच्या पयलीं कितें जालां. पण प्रिलिमिनरी तर दिसता दे आर रेग्युलर विजिटर्स टू आगापूर एंड दोज एरियाज फॉर सच टायप ऑफ बुशमीट किल्स.
Garbage is seen everywhere in Goa, but the issue still remains unresolved, alleges an NGO. In Madgaon, the garbage baling machine is rotting in rain. Madgaon Shadow Council has alleged that this is a criminal wastage of public money. Madgaon civic body is in the center of controversy over garbage menace. Local body has yet to start treating garbage at Sonsodo. There was reportedly a lot of confusion over treatment legacy waste or day-to-day garbage at Sonsodo. As the confusion prevails, heaps of garbage is seen lying unattended in the market and heaps of garbage are present behind the market in Madgaon. The reason behind this, the garbage baling machine purchased by Madgaon municipality at the cost of 10 lakh is left unused and lying idle in the rain.
आज हें जे सिट्युएशन पळयलें जाल्यार सामको आमकां लॉस दिसता. खरें मारगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी एक्जिस्टींग आसा काय ना तें आमकां कळून येना. हे आतां SCPD हो ग्रावंड जो आसा हो एरिया जावन आसा इयरमार्क जाल्लो फॉर बेलिंग ऑफ प्लास्टीक वेस्ट आनी ते प्रमाणे सॉलीड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन आनी 2 मॅशिनाय बी दिल्ली आहा. ती मॅशिनां आय थिंक मोरलेस एक 10 लाखा सुमार वॅल्यू आसतलो हेजो आनी ती हे भाशेन पावसांत उक्त्यार दवरली आहा. आनी हायड्रॉलीक सिस्टम आहा ताका एक मोटर आसा आनीक सगळें जे सिस्टम आहा ते हे भाशेन पावसान दवरलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना ह्यान स्टार्ट जातलें म्हण. क्रिमिनल वेस्ट सारकें क्रिमिनल वेस्ट ऑफ पब्लीक मनी हें कोणाच्यान टॉलरेट करपा जायना सांगपा म्हणल्यार. आनी ही जी शेड्स जी बांदपा आशिल्ली ती दीज वर अंडर दॅट 64 टेंडर्स जी लोक आयुक्ता अंडर आशिल्ली ती इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक गेल्ली ती आनी तितूंतल्यान ही आमी बेगीन क्लियर करून घेतिल्ली सो दॅट चल इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ अर्जन्सी म्हण आनी ताका लागून ते क्लियर केल्ले आमी तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूं ना पूण आज चोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार हिंगा हे इवन मेशिनींग भायर आसा शेडा काम तर स्टार्टूच जालें ना अजून हांगा आनी प्लास्टीक जें इतलें हिंगा भरून पडलां म्हाका दिसना ह्या वर्सा हें क्लियर जातलें म्हण हे भाशेन केलें जाल्यार आनी जेन्ना हांवें सॉलीड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांचे कडेन जेन्ना हांवें एक विचार केलो तेम कडेन जेन्ना विचारलें प्लास्टीक कित्याक व्हरना काय म्हण ते म्हणपाक लागले आमच्यान तें व्हरूं जायना तें बेलिंग जावपा जाय म्हण पयलीं सांज खबर दी कित्याक बेलिंग जावंकूच ना हें सगळें लूज प्लास्टीक आसा हें बेलिंग करून मागीर तें व्हरपाक शकता
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.